Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm the Power FE for Avnet Silica here at PCIM this year, and I wanted to talk with you about this demo we have here. That's a bidirectional PFC. It's in totem pole, it's three-phase, and it's perfectly suited for future DC grid applications in factory automation. And why is that? Because it has 3 times this module type in here. It's very scalable. You can swap in new modules in a very easy way. And so you can optimize the losses in the system, the switching in the system, and you can start development with the top end module and then go to the module, to the RDSON that you actually need, that meets your price point and your performance point. And if you need more information about this onsemi board or about silicon carbide wide bandgap technology, please head over to our website. We have plenty of information there, or ask your Power FE in the region or the salesperson, and the salesperson will then guide you to the corresponding power source that we have for you.